Good morning, everyone. This is Lee with Lee's Trees, and we're doing a bench tour today, and we're going to start out on the rock. This is my Hinoki cypress, Nanogracilis, that we're doing the air layer on, that I've got here on the rock. And you can see where the air layer pot is there, and that branch is still growing healthy, so hopefully it's producing roots. We'll give that a check here in another few months. I'm going to pause the camera there for a moment as traffic went by. And we'll pan over a little bit and take a look. We've got these couple Shimpaku junipers here that are really growing great. We've got a little pine there. That's not sure what type of pine that is, but again, we got more traffic going by. And so here's our little rock planting out in our front yard. Just a quick view of what it looks like standing on the ground here. Here on the front porch, I had to move all my portulacarias. One, I don't have enough bench space, and two, the squirrels started getting to some of them. You can see they really decimated them yesterday. So yeah, last night I ended up moving my jades up here to the front porch. And most of these have actually been up here for many weeks, again, because I didn't have room on the bench. My good quality jades. The other, the ones in the nursery pots there, I just had sitting out in the yard. There's the big jade that we just did the video on last week, and you can see all the others that are in desperate need of a trim. And I have a little strawberry plant over here I was able to transplant. Now, when I did my wisteria tree here a little bit ago, I was able to get one of the cuttings I took to root. Unfortunately, none of the cuttings from the Korean hornbeam took root and survived. I've got a little bit of mondo grass sitting here. But however, I still have what looks like one decent blue atlas cedar cutting surviving. The rest have not, these are all looking pretty bad and have lost a lot of leaves recently. But this one still looks like it's been producing some new growth. So that'll be nice if it survives. Got a little moss back there, some fern moss. I'm trying to grow a little more moss there. Got a big rack of wire here. I've been using the trick from Yella to keep my moss protected. I just took all that off earlier so we could show you what the trees look like without the wire. I'll show you a picture here in a moment of what the bench normally looks like. There's a little Kusamono planting here. Now we're going to start our bench tour here with our logo tree. And the little nice moss covering could be a little nicer. You can see some wire in there that I took off. Normally that's on top of the moss to keep it protected. I've been having some problems with the squirrels again. To our bald cypress, our large bald cypress here. And as you can see, it has really been thriving since the root cutting, the massive root prune. You can see it's going all the way up. And this whole entire shoot here from where I cut it, this whole big piece is all just this year's growth. It's really been coming along nicely. Had a little leaf there. Trying to grow some more moss back there. We've got our ponderosa pine here. Our golden, this is a Ficus microcarpa, Golden Gate ficus. That's what it is, Golden Gate ficus. This is our bald cypress air layer here. And I was trying a little experiment. I did cut the two top leaders off here, because again, I wanted to try to keep this one a little bit more of a flat top. So I'm trying to get some more budding coming out from the branches down below. We have our little Shimpaku juniper here. I've been keeping, because it's so small, I've been keeping a little tray of water underneath it. And then next to it is the dawn redwood, the literati that we bent up. And as you can see, it's really doing wonderfully and holding its shape, mostly. to the Cotoneaster, and behind it is the Wisteria. And I'll back up. And there's another big whip on the other side over here. You can see. I have my other little Shimpaku juniper in a Elizabeth Crutendon pot just behind the Dawn Redwood here. I'll try to get in close, try and get you a look at it. Like I said, I need to build me another bench here. This is our Zelkova in the front. And the back behind the Shimpaku is the Ginkgo from Dave Harding, Dreaming of Bonsai. You can see it's really growing wonderfully. It's my heirloom elm in the front here, and the Korean hornbeam behind it with the air layer. To the Seka Hinoki in front. And behind that is the Procumbens Nana. And that one's struggling a little. I don't know why, but it's been very yellow this year. I've been trying a few different things. I've got a few weeds here. And my Japanese black pine, my small little literati Japanese black pine, and you can see it's really looking nice. And had several back buds pop out this year. I'm really liking that. In the back, I've got my crepe myrtle that I just got recently with the class from Andrew Robson. Spider web back there. In the front, we have the Cascade Procumbens Nana sitting on the bias. Again, it's hard to see. Behind that, we have our Thoweel Hinoki cypress. And next to it is the Green Cushion Hinoki cypress. And the Japanese white pine. And behind that, I've got a Cotoneaster cutting that rooted, or that one actually had a little root on it already, so it survived. Procumbens cutting that's rooted. Got another couple little Kusamono there. Let's see. Oh, this is the Lime Zinger sedum. I hope you can see that. It's kind of bright. I can't really see my screen. Oh, I had my finger in the camera there. So yeah, the Lime Zinger sedum. There you go. Take a walk. There's the back side of these, and there's the crepe myrtle, and the Korean hornbeam. Oh, I just saw a lant on that. I need to do something. I did a systemic treatment on these a week ago, and I'll do another treatment on it next week. And again, back to our wisteria here. And let me back up and see if I can get the whole thing in view. Oh, I forgot, down here I've got this is the tiger bark ficus here. And our blue atlas cedar that we're trying to get to root again. Trying something with that. Some other Shimpaku cuttings. They were doing a lot better a week ago. I think the heat really got to them. And, oh, again, squirrel got to this wisteria here. I didn't see that. It was much longer, as you can tell. We'll have to do something to protect that. Anyway. And one last final view. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.